Has announced its latest smartphone, the Fairphone 6 Plus. It comes with 50% more RAM at 12 GB compared to the Fairphone 6 and a newer Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. It comes in new Cobalt Blue color alongside forest green horizon black color. These are the only change in Fairphone 6. For the first time ever, the Fairphone 6 is available in the US officially through Fairphone's online store and Amazon with no caveats about it running Android. Make sure you check your carrier compatibility before you buy it. In Europe, the price is €649. In the US, is $649. It comes with 6.31-inch LTPO OLED screen with 1116 into 2484 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 50 megapixel main camera with Sony Leica 700C sensor with OIS 13 megapixel ultra wide, 32 megapixel selfie and 4450 mAh battery with support for 30-watt charging. It runs Android 16 out of the box with a promise of 6 major Android updates. The word on the website is confusing. There's a confusion whether it'll give security updates till 2032 or 2033. The main claim to fame is the 12 user replaceable parts, including USB-C port, battery, display, and back covers are swappable in under 5 minutes. The mic side button and fingerprint scanner are repair center serviceable and spare parts are promised to be available until 2033. The handset comes with a 5-year warranty.